Miss Ivy.
Asante mwana gavana amefika. Tuheshima na kiketi historia ya mtoto Ivy itaonekana. Karibu.
Sorry for the interruption and welcome our governor. We are reading the short church history of the late Kerubo Mogaka Ivy. Ivy Kerubo Mogaka was an active member of Millennium SDA Church. She was baptized on 26th of July 2020 by Pastor Stephen Ongige. Ivy has a membership number of 2024 and the application control management system number 1, 2,